partial lunar eclipse began at 4:50, the peak at about 6:33. So the full moon, and it'll be off to your west, like I'm looking like over there. Look out toward, the coast, and it's going to appear to be this rusty, reddish looking kind of thing, right? The full moon's going to glow. As it passes in the Earth's shadow, some of the light from the sun is going to pass through the Earth and get to the moon, and it's going to make it look like that orangish kind of rusty look. And that's going to begin at about 6:04 this morning and end at 7:02. Doesn't really matter because the sun will be up by that point at 7:02, so you won't be able to see it. So my advice would be to, right after we start the 6 a.m. show, get out there and check this out for a couple of minutes before the sun comes up and it becomes too hard to see. So kind of cool. That's in just a few minutes. 59 degrees in Crystal River. Everybody else is in the 60s, from 62 in Brooksville, Wesley Chapel, Winter Haven, 63 in Lakeland, 64 in Tampa, 65 in Clearwater. Oh, I wanted to go straight up to 60s, no 66. Oh, well, we have a couple of upper 60s here and there as well, and even across I-10, upper 50s for you this morning, with Miami and Key West both at about 73 degrees. I have no changes for today. You got an east wind moving across the state as high pressure sits out over the Atlantic for the next several days. The east wind warms up as it moves across the state. It holds back the sea breeze. So yesterday, for instance, we got to the mid-80s. We're going to do it again today. One other little tiny thing, and that is the fact that there is enough moisture in the atmosphere. There could be one or two little pop-up showers in the afternoon. Not going to be a big deal. I just wanted to point out that you may have a couple of those. Other than that, it's just clouds, sunshine, all kinds of warmth. I mean, look, the whole southeast is quiet and nothing going on. I like it that way. So one or two little pop-up showers each afternoon for the rest of the week. Other than that, it's partly cloudy, it's toasty warm, it's temperatures in the mid-80s for you. And we should be in the mid-70s. So we're about 8 to 10 degrees above normal right now. Tonight, overnight lows near 65 degrees. There may be enough moisture for a touch of fog tomorrow, but even if that plays out, it's not going to be a massive deal. And then, again, a pop-up shower tomorrow with those highs in the mid-80s for you. Boater's looking great. Seas running a foot or less with a water temperature in the mid-60s. The next 7 days, those little rain chances, all they are those little pop-up showers, which aren't going to amount to much.